Today, we're going to show you some artist secrets on how to quickly draw a portrait. You can even make a print of the portrait. Here we have an example. Take a blank sheet of paper and use a simple light source, something like an ordinary lamp or any small light. Turn it on so that it shines from below. Now we place a piece of glass on top, just a regular glass sheet. We assemble a simple setup like this. It's called a dralloscope. Students used to build special boxes in art schools. They'd place a light inside the box, put a glass sheet on top, lay a drawing on it, and trace another drawing on a clean sheet above. This way, you could copy a huge, detailed drawing overnight, even from another student. Please turn off the light now. Now, let's draw, or simply trace the outlines of a photograph. We have two pictures here. Which one should we use? Let's take a look. Okay, this one is better. So we'll use this image and position it to the center so it's easy to draw. Now quickly outline everything with a pencil using light strokes. We start with the eyes. Later, we'll go into more detail, adding shadows and highlights. This technique speeds up the whole process, so we're not sitting here for 3 years working on one portrait. The key points are the highlights on the nose, shadows under the eyes, just basic placement. Nowadays, you can do all of this on a computer too. Next time, I'll show you how to make a quick sketch of a large portrait using a computer. Using software and a projector, you can project the sketch right onto a sheet or canvas and trace it. That's about it. As you can see, this method is very fast. We also quickly mark where the shadows go, darker or lighter. Just a rough layout of light and shadow. Wait, we forgot to draw the glasses. There are glasses in the photo, so let's add those in too. Done? Wait, the glasses need a little adjustment on the nose. No need to overthink it, just a few quick strokes, and done. Don't forget to draw the reflections on the glasses. Very important. So here's the portrait we've got as a result. Next, we'll take it further. Place it on an easel and keep developing the drawing. Let's continue on the easel. Start again with the eyes, then go into shadows and highlights, mid-tones, building up the volume of the portrait. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.